Well, here's another video of our 677 Carette, the one made out of all the spare leftover bits, and it's coupled up to a little Carette Blacksmith man who's going to hammer away there till the matho runs out or whatever. Okay, he's a fairly rare item, that fella, as is the engine itself. Wonderful achievement to be able to get that together, cobble that all out of bits and pieces left over from my main restoration. Alright, just a little short video to say happy with all that. Keep up that good work there, fella, and thanks for watching, people.